at Grand Finals of Melee Doubles.
I gotta go grab my phone real quick.
Alright, yeah, go ahead. So we have Moment Thor versus Tess and aminimouse. Basically Fox and Velco versus Fox and Marth. I think the first game, I'm guessing it's going to be FD. I think it's going to be FD. Oh no, not FD. Maybe PS1 then. Yeah. Okay, so game 1, it's at PS1. Usually PS1 or FD are like D2 stages that players usually start on doubles.
Yeah. So
Nice
Spacies versus Double Mark.
Okay, they're going double mark.
Yeah.
I don't know which one's which. Yeah, I can't tell.
Seem to be holding their own.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Ooh.
Stocking and stock. Alright, fair enough.
A little
We
bit
have
of an
blue team though with a very slight lead. It's really hard to say those who's in the lead in doubles because a lot of times you just kind of gotta go by the stock count.
Yeah.
You know, this person may have a high percentage, this other person might have a low percentage. Then your other teammate has a high percentage, and that other teammate has a low percentage.
Right. So far, Thor and Moment have a lead, small lead, not so much anymore. Using the shield breaker to fall a little bit faster. Very interesting. Oh, okay. That was a nice little strat.
Oh, nice back air. Yeah, that should be a good grand finals. Oh, nice free of the up B, or reaction I should say, of the up B with down smash. So double Marth seems to not be working as well as they hoped.
Ooh. Shouldn't have up smashed your teammate, but... Oh, nice down air. Oh, taking...
Okay, we have a share stock. But just like that, double Marth seems to actually be working.
Yeah. Doubles can turn around so fast.
Oh, that again. Oh! Thought he was gonna get another down air there. That would have been
nice. Messed up on the wave dash back.
This is not a good situation for red team. Oh, accidentally hit his own teammate. Yeah, that's really important for Thor to get that extra damage.
Nice down air.
Yep.
Alright, so...
The offstage down there is going to secure that game.
Tess and Mini taking game 1.
Yeah.
I'm wondering where they're gonna go. What do you think they'll counterpick?
I think they're going to counterpick, personally. Okay, so if you got Martha, or I'm sorry, Fox and Falco, yeah, Yoshi. I was going to say either Yoshi's or I was going to say they're going to go to FD.
I can understand, you know, Marth won't be forward smashing as much here. Maybe they will. I don't know, it's Tess and Mini. But there's a danger with these small stages, especially with 2 Marths. Even though they can cover a lot of the stage.
Well, absolutely, that is a risk.
Yeah, you're going to be hitting your teammate.
Yeah, that's a risk that I'm pretty sure both these players do that they took when they went to the stage. But it can equally benefit them as well.
Oh yeah, I mean, especially if they know what they're doing, they can coordinate their attacks cover a bunch of the stage, and it can be really hard for Fox and Falco.
Yeah. We see, I've noticed, Bowman doing that a lot. Trying to get those back airs off stage with Falco.
Yeah.
And I feel like it's a safer option than down air. Down air is a more rewarding option, but back air is a much safer option to use when you're playing Falco. Because Fox is well known for his back air, but Falco really isn't. I mean, it's a decent move, but
Right.
not as good as Fox's back air. But it can still kill at reasonably high percentage.
So I'm starting to think that Mini is regular Marth, just by his play style. I've been playing them quite often.
Okay, that would make sense. Oh,
Nice up smash. See, it's still
like
any.
you gotta-
Ooh, nice King
that was
combo. Oh,
but returns it with the side B spike. Does Falco's side B work like a meteor, or is it like a...
it's more of a meteor.
Okay.
Yeah.
That would make sense.
You fall really fast, but you can meteor cancel. This is very interesting. I think.
Yeah, double Marth just...
Yeah, double
working
Marth
really
is
well
so
for them.
scary. They still have a chance though.
And
Oh,
they're playing
that,
very defensively.
that up
being at a very
smash
high percent.
would. That up smash got taken out by Moment's laser.
Oh,
Oh.
missed the... They're trying to go for style points, but it didn't quite work out the way they wanted it to.
Oh, that'll do it.
Oh, makes it back.
Alright, Fox.
Yeah, Foxfire. Very under... Oh.
Oh, that's gonna. No.
Oh!
Oh,
Tried
he
to
has
go for
cheat.
the style
No.
points. Isn't quite able to secure that time. Now we have a very scary situation right now for me. Fox is at a high percent though, so okay. They
Yeah.
were able to still secure that last stock.
You're what? Solid? Okay. I had it mixed up then. Tess is solid, and
Okay, Tess is solid and Aminimouse is the later mark. Alright, so that's gonna be game 2. Tess and Aminimouse also take that game. Yeah, and we're in grade 5. Oh, we have an Ice Climbers. Okay.
that's interesting.
Switch from Falco to Ice Climbers.
I don't know the Ice Climber Marth matchup.
I don't know if... I don't know how Ice Climbers are in doubles. I've never seen Ice Climbers in doubles. I feel like... What? Oh. Of course you did.
It's all good. We got to see a level 9.
That guy is the king of sleeping in under fences. But anyway, game 3.
Yeah, so Tess and Mini are doing a great job splitting up the Ice Climbers. I think it's just too much chaos for the Ice Climbers to do anything.
Yeah, it's gonna be very difficult though for Ice Climbers to get those wobbles and doubles because those can be interrupted if the other teammate intervenes.
Although it would be neat to see the Ice Climber wobble and then Fox down air.
Oh yeah, that would work.
That would rack up damage fast.
I guess it could work as like an extended grab.
Yeah. If he like spaces himself well.
Yeah, if he spaces himself well away from the other teammate, it can work as like an extended grab, so that teammate can either secure that forward smash or kill move basically, or just wait for the wobble to take effect to get that kill.
So I do like the pick of Dreamland. Marth has a hard time killing at higher percents, as you can see.
I agree with the counter pick.
This is a great stage to counterpick against Marth. Also, because of Ice Climber's floatiness, they tend to veer off, and it can be hard to kill, even at lower percent. But they are proving otherwise. Still, pretty much even.
We know we got Sopo.
Sopo's probably going to be there the entire match.
I don't know, I feel like Sopo could maybe be an alright character, but isn't, like,
yeah.
Well, you know, why have one when you can have two of them?
Right. Sopo just falls down the tier list. Oh, nice. Nice back air. Oh, just gonna poke him. Poke him forward smash. They're getting rid of that Nana. Tess will kill himself for that Nana.
The SDs are very high. I think that's like the third or fourth time he's SD this time. Okay, we have a moment to Thor with a slight lead.
Very slight. Nana can die any second, or Popo can die at any second.
Yeah, that's true. Sopo definitely not known for having the best recovery.
Especially against a tipper.
Yeah.
But still, now you have both ice climbers. Oh, the setup for a wobble? There you go.
Yeah, but see, that's what I'm talking about. Is, you know,
it's double.
Wobble setup. Those wobble setups are very crucial. Oh, but right now, the tides have turned, and now he can potentially land a wobble because there's no teammate there to save him if he gets put in a wobble.
That's gonna do it.
Oh, okay. We have it so close to
Alright.
Okay. But Thor are going to take game 3.
So we are going into game 4 now.
Yeah.
So it should be 2-1 right now.
Yeah. 2-1, Tess aminimouse.
What are they going to do?
Okay, if I was... Oh, we have a character switch to Fox from Tessitura.
Okay.
We're going to Pokemon Stadium 1.
Pulling out the main. Taking out both... taking out Ice Climbers fast. Tess is just so technical.
Make solid back air. Yeah, I'm already starting to notice an instant difference when Tess switches to Fox.
Yeah.
As far as, you know, team efficiency. Because Tess is able to keep the other people off of Minnie's back, so Minnie can land those forward airs and down airs, and especially those forward smashes on stage. Oh, tries to read an up smash, but gets up smashed instead. But still, has a very commanding lead.
A wobble started to happen. It's going now.
Oh, we got a wobble.
But again, Tess, he's just gonna go in. He doesn't care that the other Fox is there.
But Tess making sure that the teammate doesn't get wobbled to death.
No.
And I feel like that's why Ice Climbers maybe aren't as good of a doubles character just because they don't have that guaranteed wobble setup. Unless one teammate's dead or the other teammate is that good at keeping the person off their back.
Yeah, it's already hard enough to get the a wobble set up, and then to add in another person that can just pitch you out of it.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, that was a solid ledge guard by Thor. Or I'm sorry, Moment.
They're not doing bad. They're keeping their own.
I'm also starting to notice some adaptation for Moment in regards to making sure that the minimouse can't land on forward smash.
Yes, yeah.
I notice a lot of shielding in reactions to those forward smashes. A really good option to do to make sure they don't get hit by them. Because this is melee shield we're talking about, where shielding is actually a good option.
Yeah.
Not like 64.
Oh. Yeah.
They're better
Alright.
like rolling than shielding 64.
So, other than a percent difference,
Yeah, wow, we got
we're down
Fox
to one
at a high
stock of
percent, but this is double, so if you play very conservatively and well, Fox can definitely, work his way out of it. Oh, but unfortunately, it's not going to quite.
Sopo versus
You got Sopo versus
Marth and
1%
Fox.
and a mid% Marth.
Oh, nice
It's a very
recovery.
tough situation to be in.
Oh,
Doesn't quite land that. Isn't quite able to get the Shine Infinite off of PS1.
that'll do it.
And that's going to do
That'll be a big move.
it. Yep.
But
And that's going to be
very
a 3-1.
good.
Tess and Minimouse.
That was a very good match.
Oh, absolutely.
I mean, when you watch the previous footage when doubles started, it was chaos between teams, and then as we got on, like that was really good teamwork.
Yeah.
I think they did a really good job.
Yeah, I think they both did a very good job at making sure that, each teammate was covered. But the thing that I think Tess and Minimouse did better in that set was they made sure that when that wobble setup happened, that the other teammate was there to say, hey, I got you. I'm going to make sure you don't get wobbled to death.
Yeah, yeah.